Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your website with SiteGround, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your website with SiteGround, first, log in to your SiteGround account. Navigate to the website management area on your SiteGround dashboard. Select the website you wish to transfer. Locate the website transfer option. Click on the Transfer Website button. You will need to fill out the transfer form that appears. Provide the domain name of the website you want to transfer. Choose the type of website you wish to transfer, such as WordPress or another CMS. Once you've completed the form, click on Continue. SiteGround will generate a transfer request. You will receive an email with further instructions on how to proceed. Check your email and follow the provided link to confirm your transfer request. Next, you may need to log in to your existing hosting account. Access the File Manager or Control Panel on your old host. Backup your website files in database. Download the files you need to transfer. If you're using WordPress, consider using a plugin for easy file migration. You will also need to export your database if applicable. After backup, return to SiteGround. Navigate to the Site Tools for your new website on SiteGround. Go to File Manager under the Site section. Upload the website files you downloaded earlier. If you exported a database, navigate to the Databases section. Create a new database and user on SiteGround. Make sure to assign all privileges to the user. Import your database backup into this new database. After the transfer, you will need to update the website configuration. If using WordPress, edit the wp-config.php file with your new database details. Double-check your website settings for any necessary adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.